In this video, I will show you step by step how I created this glass breaking animation using FlipaClip. And yes, I use completely free images. If you are someone who wants to turn simple images into eye-catching animation, you are in the right place. Stick with me to the end because I will be revealing tips most beginners miss. And by the end we are done, you will know exactly how to create this effect yourself. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notification bell because I drop free tutorials every week to help you grow fast. Let's bring your creativity to life starting now. So let's start immediately. I open up my FlipaClip, then click on that plus icon to create a new project. So I will name my project glass breaking. Okay, then click on that background icon over there to add a background. So I've already designed a background we'll be using for this project. So now I have a free app that I use to generate background. I use to design all my background. So that software is the app I use to design this background. So if you want to get the app on your phone so that you can generate any background of your choice, there is a link in the description of this video. Join my animation class. So once you join my animation class, you'll be able to get this app that you will use to design your background. So now click on that icon over there to mark it good. Then I'm going to set up our canvas size, so make it to be 1920 by 1080. It is for YouTube videos. Okay, then select YouTube 1080p, then click on create project. So let's get started. So now we are on the interface of FlipaClip, and our goal here is to animate something, windows that will break from this place. So that means you have to click on that three dots over there to import your image object. Okay, so click on add image. Okay, so I'm going to import my first window. So this is my first window, you can see it here. So I created this image window with the same app I told you about. So if you want to get the app, join my animation class. Yes, follow the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel, and then you can get the app and be able to design your own windows. So we are going to do frame by frame for this animation tutorial. Okay, it's going to be frame by frame. Then you see the way they position this window. Now then click on that plus icon. I will click it and I will hold it, then I will choose clone last frame. That means I want this frame to clone, to duplicate, you know. So I will duplicate it up to 5 frames. Then on the 6th one, I'm going to select my lasso tool. Then I will now select, double click on it to select that my window. I'm going to delete it. Okay, so click on that delete icon over there. I will delete it. Then I'm going to import a broken window. So if you want to achieve your window breaking, you need to have two design of normal window and design of breaked window. You see that with this window now, it have already break. So the way I designed it, I already make it to break somehow, so that when viewers see it, they will know that something have break it from the inside. So having said that, the next thing we'll do now is we need to create object that will come out from this building, so that it will look as if that object is the one that break this window. So I'm going to add this object. You see this object that come out now, you see. So I added everything in the same layer. So these two objects now indicate that this object came out from this building and then kind of break the glass of the window. Then what next I will do is this. I have to zoom out, and then I'm going to go to my layer panel. So that is my layer panel. Then click on that plus icon. I will add a new layer. So this new layer now, I will rename it to glass. So you know that as that object came out from that building, a glass will scatter. So I'm going to add my glass image. See the glass image I just added now. So I'm going to apply principles of animation here. I believe that if you join my animation class, you will know when to apply principles of animation. So I will apply slow in and slow out, which involves slowing down the movement of this object, this glass, at the beginning and at the end of the action. So this principle now will help to create a sense of natural movement and fluidity. Quick question for you: if you could animate anything breaking, what would it be? A window, a door, or maybe a phone screen? Drop your answer in the comment section. I really want to know and see how creative you could get. And hey, if you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to like this video. It really helps me a lot to grow this channel, and let me keep on creating free tutorials for you. Subscribe and press that bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you're gonna be the first to watch and learn. Okay, so let's keep going. So now what we are going to do now, we need to duplicate the frame and then copy this glass. Then each frame we go, we need to apply that slow in and slow out. We keep on zooming out this character, making it bigger. I mean the glass, the scattered glass. So each frame I'll make it bigger. So when you add a good timing to the glass, you'll be able to achieve a smooth motion. Okay, so each frame, just adjust the size, make the glass scattering bigger. So as you do that, each frame you create a smooth motion of the glass movement, and this will now result that making the glass to scatter. So you see that how I use just one glass scattering. As I'm zooming out, I'm forming different frames. Okay, so that is how you'll be able to do it. So you see that I'm almost done now. So this last one now, use my lasso tool to select it and then drag it off the screen. So at this point now, we have almost finished up with the animation. Okay, so let's play the video and see what we have so far. So I'll play the video now. So I'll click on that play button to play the video. You see, so because everything was added properly, you see that this animation, the motion is very smooth, meaning that everything was added properly. So the next thing I will do now is, if you have music audio, you can import your audio from that music icon. So you click on that plus icon to add your audio of glass scattering. So if you do this too now, but I don't want this video to be too long, so that's why I will not be adding the audio in this video, but you can add your audio on FlipaClip. Then when you finish all these things now, the next thing is you have to export your video. So click on that three dot over there, then click on make movie. So that is where you'll be able to export this video. So click on make movie, then this video will now export, and when you finish exporting, you can now share the video on your platform and get massive view. You see the way our glass scattered through the window. So if you are having any problem animating, if you find it difficult, once you join my animation class, you'll be able to learn how to animate, and it will be very easy for you to animate with your phone or your laptop. Okay, so if you watch this video to this level, write my name in capital letters or Bino Tutorials. Okay, so I want to know, have you started animating? Do you find it difficult to animate, or you find it hard? So do you animate with your phone or laptop? When last did you animate anything, self? So I would like to hear from you. Let's interact in the comment section. Okay, and if you have any question, you drop it there. I'll answer all questions. And that's it. You just watched me create a glass breaking animation using free images. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end. I hope you learned something new and exciting today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit that like button, and it motivates me to keep on making helpful videos like this. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you're gonna be the first to watch. If you want me to teach any topic, drop it in the comment section. I'm reading and I'm going to try my best to teach you any topic you want. And if you want to learn how to create cartoon videos with your phone or laptop, or even how to monetize your content, then join my animation class. You will learn 2D animation and 3D animation step by step. So use the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel, and then message me directly so that I will give you the full access and you will get started with animation. Don't forget to share this video with someone who wants to learn animation too. And if you want more free tutorials, check the playlist in the description of this video or in the comment section. I drop a playlist you can use to watch all my animation tutorials videos. So see you in my next video.